Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new bullet journal and things I'm adding to it and what the hell is going on in here. So the new bullet journal that I'm using, if you guys didn't see my last video, I talked about why I made the switch from my half letter Discbound planner to this B6 bullet journal. This is from the brand Zequenz. I've used a Stalogy in the past, and once I start using this more, I will do a video comparing the two. But looking at how I have used this, I kind of want to do some of the same aspects of it, from the journaling to the tip-ins and all that stuff. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. If you would like to see a flip of this B6 Stalogy, I will link it down in the description box for you guys. So I have this little container and it has sticky notes and some list pads and all that stuff that I've had in my stash that I cannot wait to use inside of here. So some stuff is neutral, some stuff is colorful. So as for the colorful stuff, I have these sticky notes, and these I'm going to be using for lists and brainstorming for the fiction writing that I do for the book that I'm working on that's coming out in October. So that's what I'm going to be using these for, and I love using sticky notes for brainstorming because if you don't want to settle on putting it on the page and making it permanent, sticky notes, you write it on here, rip it off, throw it in the garbage if you're done. But I really don't want this to just be minimal. I want it to be real time, me planning, not only using my stash, but you know, having a little bit of everything in here. I don't want to keep having a notebook for this and a notebook for that. So for ideas that I have on videos, I can also write them on here. And if I want to write notes on a particular product that I'm sharing, I can write that on here as well. Now that is something that I would file away. And well, not file away. I would end up tossing those sticky notes when I'm done. But like my video list is something that I would put directly on the page. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these. And then I also have this one from Happy Planner. And then this one is also from Dollar Tree. It's a little bit larger, but I love these. These are not the Post-it brand. These are the Jot brand from Dollar Tree, but they also sell the Post-it brand there as well. Now getting into some cuter ones. There's this one that I also got from Dollar Tree. I shared this in my Dollar Tree DIY planner video. So that one I really do like. I'm just going to throw it down there. I did have some kind of order and function inside of here, but whatever. Now, cloth and paper, I do have some sticky notes. And cloth and paper, if you guys are looking for a minimally aesthetic planner accessory line, cloth and paper is your go-to. Everything in the shop that they sell is neutral, and they also have a monthly stationery box, and that's where I got these goodies from. I did get the October stationery box to treat myself for my birthday, and I see the stationery box all the time now. And while I have not subscribed since then, I just got the box one time. But I do love the accessories, and I would love to get some more of the sticky notes. So I'll have cloth and paper linked in the description box for you guys to check out. But I just have 3 different ones here, and I also kept these as a dashboard in my half letter, so I would always have some with me. So that's just what I did there. So I leave them in here. Love. I also have these black sticky notes. These were sent to me by a planner friend. I can never find them near me, just like I can't find the translucent ones, the clear translucent ones, because they do come in different colors. But I've been holding on to these. And do I have the pen that yeah, and the pen that I use for this is the Jelly Roll. And I think I got that from either Michael's or Daiso. Then some other cute ones. This one I believe is from Fox and Pip. And then these two I got in a in the Planning a Better Me Retreat swag bag. So this one I'll definitely be able to stick onto the page. Let's see. Yeah, it'll fit perfectly. So that's a larger one. And then this one is just an LV inspired one. And this is from Any Plans Printables. So this one's super cute. And yeah, this one I believe is from Fox and Pip. I don't have that much left of this one. I really don't care too much for sticky notes like this. Like, these are great, even the bright ones. And if you know, I've added stickers to mine before. So yeah, but this is cool too. So these are the little cute ones. So I didn't just stop at sticky notes when I went to digging out stuff in my stash. I also pulled out some list pads. Now these shorter ones, these are all from Target, by the way. These shorter ones I'd be able to tape right in here as well, or even use some tape and make a tip in. So I really, really love that. And these are like OG Target one spot. Like when I first started planning back in 2015, I, like many other planner girls, would go to the store and just buy everything in Target one spot and just buy all the things and hoard them. I did destash a lot, but the ones I kept are ones that not only fit in my ring planner if I choose to go back to that size, a personal size ring planner, but they also work in my bullet journals. And this one I love too because it's that grid paper, only on one side, but this is cute to add a little, you know, pop of color to my pages. So that's what I pulled out there. I also have a whole bunch of stickers. I mean, stickers galore from Happy Planner and all of that. But this is what I'm rocking out with on a regular when it comes to adding things into my bullet journal. Now, just like with the sticky notes, these I would use if I want to make a list and I don't necessarily want to put it on the page. But if I need more space for brainstorming, this is great to do that. And if I don't want to permanently put it in here with glue or double stick tape, then I can use washi tape and when I'm done to rip it out. So it's going to serve the same purpose as the sticky notes, just a little bit larger to give me more space to write. But that is what I'm starting off with when it comes to adding in here. I'll do a video sharing more stuff with you guys as I add to it. But for now, I just have some lists on what it is that I'm watching on Netflix, WWE Network. I have a list from this past week, videos that I want to film, and that's about it. I haven't really gone any further. I will say that writing in this has not been the easiest. This is a lot of paper in here. It's 200 pages. So while it does lay flat, and I can roll it and it has some flexibility to it, I haven't gotten to the point where laying this flat makes it easy to write. So I have to, you know, work it a little bit just to make it a little more manageable for those pages. But for now, this is what I have. So that wraps it up for this video. Just a little sneak peek on what I'm using in my stash. I went back and just started, you know, pulling out different things that I haven't used in a while, but I know I want to use it in my new bullet journal. So feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will not only have links to related videos, but products featured, as well as the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.